Hey everyone, it's Tammy and welcome to day 7 of our 12 tags of Christmas. And it's no secret to anyone that I love plaid. I think it's just beautiful and I love it for Christmas or any other season. And I have this whole big thing of plaid tidings that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I also have the Perfect Pines framelets from Stampin' Up! And I am going to use this little tree here. So what I've decided to do was to combine my love of plaid with a beautiful Christmas tree to make this tag. And I just don't know which plaid to use. I love this one. Oh. I do want something with, ooh, that's pretty too. With a big design, like not just 2 colors. Ooh, that one's pretty too. I love buffalo plaid. Oh, well, you know what? I have some right here. How about I use some of the scraps? I will do that. And I'm going to make 2 because I haven't made one for myself yet. And I'm making 2 of these. So I'm going to go ahead and get my big shot out. And I've decided to do these cards because I started out doing them quickly and simply, and I thought, you know what, that's a really great theme. So I want to cut this out, but I want to cut it out kind of, you know what, I might just even cut it out right out of the middle. Well, no, that's not true because I like a different pattern. I'm going to cut it out right here, I think. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh, you can't see anything. Oh, I'm sorry. I was just trying to figure out where on the plaid I wanted to cut it out. So there's the first time I run it through. And then I'm going to run it through using a different piece. And I'm not getting it too close to the edge. I'm kind of getting it so that it can have a little area around it. For a second, I almost didn't do that, but then I remembered that I needed to, so I'm glad I did. Okay, so there's that. And I don't need this any longer. What did I do with my... that in here, and then I also don't need, I want the negatives. I don't need the tree part. I actually just want the negative part. And this is going to be our tag. And I want it to be kind of straight though, so that one's kind of crooked. Okay, so let me see. I'm going to cut this out. And I really didn't do a very good job of getting that straight, so I'm trying to get it semi-straight now. And then I'm going to try to get it so that it's in the middle. So right here I can see I need to take a little bit off of this side to make it so that the tree itself is centered. There we go. That one looks pretty good, and I'm going to do the same thing to this one. So if you guys do this, I would say to try to be careful to make sure that your tree is straight when you put it down. I think that that will help, as opposed to crazy crooked like I did. Which is part of the reason why I like to do a dry run and do a card or something myself first before I show you guys, but you know, I don't always get an opportunity to do that. I make a lot of videos and it's not always easy. There, so I'm trying to tighten in the tree so it's not so wide because I really don't want a super wide tag. So I'm just bringing it in a little bit on each side of the tree. So I have a thinner, longer card, and they're going to be a little bit different, and that's okay. Then I'm also going to use some craft cardstock because I think that goes very well with the plaid. So I'm going to cut this out a little bigger than my biggest one. And trying to see how many inches that is. It's about 2 1/4 inches. So it's a little too big to go in my punch. So I'm just gonna have to, I think I'm just gonna make it square actually. I kind of like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this one down to size right there. And then I will put this one here and cut it down to size right there. Okay, so if you guys notice, I have left some of the craft cardstock around the sides, but then also a lot at the bottom. This is where I'm going to put my "to from," I think, or my name. So I am going to take this, oops, I think I am. And I'm just going to put this on the back of this cardstock. I'm going to center it on the sides and kind of on the top with about the same amount of room, but then leave the bottom with extra craft paper showing. I'm going to do the same thing to both of these. I think that's cute, and then we could put the name right there. And I need my hole punch. I'm just going to punch in the corner. Then I found this cute like wire ribbon in my stash. I'm going to use this, I think. Oh, I don't know how I want to do it. Let's see. I'm going to try it my old faithful way, but I'm not sure with the wire if it will want to do it the same, but it seems to be all right. Yeah. That's cute, if I say so myself. Okay, so there is tag number 7, I believe. Isn't that cute? I think that turned out really cute. Then you can write "to from," or you can just write their name, which is what I'll probably do. And I think I might even write it in calligraphy because I think that would be really pretty. So thanks for watching. You could see how you could easily mass produce these and make a million of them for way cheap. Scrap paper, really. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.